Today, we're gonna bake these cookies. They're gluten-free, lactose-free, they're vegan, without any refined sugar, and they are so delicious. You have to try them. I'm obsessed. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. And I think you can tell by like the cheeky smile on my face that we're gonna be baking something really good and really special. And I just can't wait to finally eat it. It's one of my favorite cookies ever. It is vegan, it's gluten-free. It comes together so quickly and so easily that I often make these with my kids. What I want to do today, I want to keep this video short and simple. I'm just going to go through the ingredients with you, explain the steps, and then just bake them already. I'm actually really hungry. Now, as always, the details of this recipe are down below in the description. And I usually like to separate everything into like the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. And in the dry ingredients, we're using rice flour today. It's just a really nice, it makes the cookie crumbly and it keeps it gluten-free. I'm gonna be using a bit of baking soda, always some salt, it just amps up all the flavors. And in the wet ingredients, we have two different kinds of nut butters. I like to mix and match because it just adds a bit more nutrition and definitely some depth of like flavor. I'm using tahini and cashew butter, but you can sub this for any nut butter that you have at home and that you like. It could be almond butter or peanut butter. This stuff is kind of naturally sweeter, and I like these two guys together. Now, sometimes when you get like a nut butter, like as in my tahini, you see it separates the oil from like the body from the tahini itself, and it's thick. And what we wanna do is we're gonna make a little steam bath, and we're gonna combine the butters just so they kind of like emulsify into this one creamy substance. So we're gonna do that with some coconut oil. As a sweetener, we're gonna be using a little bit of maple syrup. Again, lots of depth of flavor. I like the maple syrup here, but you could probably use an agave or just like some brown sugar, whatever works for you. And everybody's going crazy with like chocolate chips, but not everybody likes chocolate. In my family, my husband doesn't like the chocolate. So we're gonna be using raisins or sultanas. And I also have some of that sour stuff. What is it called? Cranberry. I have dried cranberries and raisins. Yeah, try it with these, but we will pop some dark chocolate on top of the cookies after they finish baking, but we'll get to that a bit later. Now, combine this, introduce the two, and bake. It's that simple. These cookies are so good. They taste good, they're good for you, ultra nutritious. If you try them, let me know in the comments below if you like them. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
Do you like them?
Okay.
You're covered in chocolate.
Put that on the tape.
Do you like them?